The Department of State Health Services changing the way they count and report the number of COVID-related deaths in the state of Texas. The changes and how they pertain to our area counties in tonight's top story.
Yeah, that's right, Rui. The difference now is instead of relying on reports from local and regional health departments, they're using death certificates. San Patricio County included the update in a post on their Facebook explaining why residents may see a change in the state numbers. Annette Rodriguez, Corpus Christi Health Director, also notified Nueces County residents of the changes being made. She said the time it takes to verify and report a COVID-19 related death varies across counties, compared to the new method, which ensures consistent reporting across the state.
This method allows fatalities to be counted faster with more comprehensive demographic data. It enables the Department of State Health Service to display fatalities by date of death, providing the public with more information about when deaths occurred.
Said the new method is also a way for the state to be more accurate and timely in their reporting. Texas law requiring death certificates to be filed within 10 days. But the DSHS says that even if they receive the certificate on the last day, they'll be sure to report the death for the date that it occurred.